Hey there, we are back with our series on free powerful certification courses from the prestigious global institutions, which is an awareness initiative by Pharma Industry Academia Connect. This is our course number 2. I'm your friend Amit Khanna, who will be taking you through the registration process of this course. Friends, this video is the continuation of the series wherein in the previous video we talked about the free patent certification course by World Intellectual Property Organization. So in case you have missed this video on the free patent certification course, you can subscribe my channel and you can find the process for registering for this free patent certification course by WIPO. So today in this video I will be talking about a free certification course on good clinical practices by National Drug Abuse Clinical Trial Network, that is NIDA. Friends, we all know that clinical trials are vital to any drug development process. Any drug cannot be commercialized without its testing on human beings. Testing on human beings is called as a clinical trial, and which is a very important phase in the drug development process. So what happens is when in the drug development process we find some molecule, we study some of that molecule in the set of animals which you call as a preclinical trial, and finally because that drug is intended to be commercialized and final use into the human beings, and therefore before you use this drug in the general public, you have to be sure about its safety and you have to be assured about its efficacy. And therefore before you can commercialize any molecule into the market, okay, clinical trials are very important to ensure the safety and efficacy of the drug before we actually commercialize it into the market. And you cannot do clinical trial any way you want, okay, because we are not guinea pigs, human beings are not guinea pigs, okay. So clinical trials must be conducted as per the good clinical practices. So there are many agencies, the regulatory bodies, who have defined that what is actually a good clinical practice, how a clinical trial should actually be designed, how it should actually be conducted, so that it should be ethical, it should be purposeful, and it should not unnecessarily cause trouble to human beings. And therefore the sound knowledge of good clinical practice is very important for any candidate who is in a pharma or who is aspiring to make his career in the clinical research area. So pharmacy and life science graduates who have fundamental understanding on the principles of good clinical practice, they would definitely play exceptional role in the clinical research organizations, right? And therefore this certification course on good clinical practices is a very valuable certificate for us because of two reasons. Number one, it makes you skillful. You will learn the good clinical practices, and number two, you will earn a very good certificate which will definitely add up to your resume. So in this video we will learn about the free certification course on good clinical practices. So are you ready? So let me give you a course outline how this course is designed actually by NIDA. There are 12 modules in this course which are based on ICH GCP guidelines. ICH is International Conference on Harmonization, which actually are the harmonized guidelines of US, Europe and Japan, and there which are the most regulated markets. And therefore if a person who has done the GCP course based on the ICH guidelines, he should considered as thorough with the basic understanding of designing a good clinical trial. Friends, this is a self-paced course which will take approximately of your 6 hours to complete, and definitely you will find some value addition at the end of this course. So to start, you have to visit the e-learning center of NIDA by typing in the link gcp.nidatraining.org. For the convenience of my audience, I have given this link in the description section of the video. You can copy and paste from there in the browser. So once you click there, once you visit to the browser, it will take you to the welcome page. Okay, so it will land, you will land up to the welcome page, and there first you need to sign up. So once you click the sign up, it will ask you to create an account, right? So it is a very simple process. You have to fill your name, you have to fill your title. Okay, title is like Mr. Doctor. You have to fill your organization, probably the name of your college where you are studying, location, obviously wherever you are residing, your nationality. Then NIH affiliated, whether you have affiliation from National Institute of Health. If you have, you write yes, otherwise no. It doesn't affect your certification criteria. You have to fill your email. Okay, there they will send you the certificate and the confirmation link if they have to send. And then you have to make put the password. Friends, this password is not your email password. You should not disclose your email password anywhere. Now this password is your login password for NIDA website, for NIDA Learning Center. So this password is not your email password. You are not supposed to disclose your email password here. You have to create a password, you have to confirm that password, and you have to say check on the box that you are not a robot, and you have to submit it. Once you do, it will ask your confirmation again that this is how your name will appear once you complete the course on the certificate. So check it properly so that your name should not be wrong once you have completed the certificate. So if this is correct, go on the icon, click here that this is correct, and continue to proceed with the registration. To do that, you are through. Now here here is the welcome page of the training. Okay, so scrolling down, you will find that this course has 12 modules: introduction, institutional review process, informed consent. And the point to note is, on the left side are the modules and in the right side is the scoring. So you can see on the introduction there is no scoring. For other all modules, you have a module and then you have to take the quiz. Okay, so let's start with the module number 1, that is institutional review board. I'm giving you only one example. Likewise you have to do for all the modules. So you have to click here on the left side on the module name. You have to click. So once you click here on the module, say for example I click on the institutional review board, it will take up me to the institutional review board. Okay, and it will tell me about what is an institutional review board and all the things related to the institutional review board. And you can see the progress. They have some 9 pages to tell you about the institutional review board. So once you are done with the reading, you click on the icon take the quiz. Once you click on the icon take the quiz, to the part where the quiz are there, the multiple choice questions are there. So you take the quiz part. Okay, once you take the quiz part, you submit the quiz, and the process is to be done for all the remaining modules. It's a simple process. Click on the module, learn the module, take the quiz, and move to the next module until you complete the course. So once you complete the course, here is your valuable certificate, and you see they give you certificate based on all the modules, and they will give you that you have passed in all the modules. Okay, and you will get this valuable certificate, right? So my best wishes to all of you. I'm sure this certificate will be helpful and valuable for you. Okay, and stay tuned to my channel where I will be in the series. We'll be talking about other free powerful certification courses in the coming videos. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends also. Do click the this bell icon so that you get notified whenever I come up with whenever we come up with our next video. So for now, this is for now. Bye bye. Take care and be safe.